Welcome to one of the many circle sessions hosted by Wonder Girls. Wonder Girls is a nationwide classrooms movement. We bring relatable female role models into classroom settings through our circle sessions. As you will see, the crux of these sessions is its dialogic nature. We're currently working with classrooms across 7 Indian cities and continuing to grow. Our aim is for every adolescent in India to have access to relatable female role models. I welcome you once again and hope you enjoy learning from our role models' life journey and career path.
Hi, Rucha. Kids meet Rucha.
Hi, Tanya.
She is a flight commander, as I've already introduced her to you in the WhatsApp groups. So meet her. She has been in this field for 10 years and she has completed 2,000 flights, which is huge. And I'm really inspired, seeing her passion for flying. And I hope all of you were inspired too when I sent you about her. So say a big hi to her and say a big thank you also to her for being there with us here today.
Hi Didi, thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi Didi, thank you so much for being
No
here.
problem, anytime.
Okay, so we can start the session. Rucha, you can introduce yourself to the kids and then we can move forward by taking questions from the kids.
All right. Thank you so much, Tanya. Hi, once again. Now, all of you all know my name. My name is Rucha Nirale. And I just want to correct one thing. I have been in the aviation industry now for 17 years. I know that sounds a lot. And I have been working since 15 years now. And now more than 10,000 hours of flying. So earlier, I started my flying career, like in a flying school, of course. So that was Bombay Flying Club. Few details, I started off working with Jerryways first. So I was about 14 years over there. And after that, now I'm flying for Vistara. Apart from that, I am a very happy person. Or that's what I like to think about myself. I always like smiling, and I'm really very passionate about my work because that's something which I really like to do. So yeah, that's about it, and I'm having a really great time being a part of Wonder Girls and meeting so many people. So thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you, Rucha, for a great introduction. Okay, so girls, what we can do is we can ask Didi a few questions or whatever you have in your mind, any thoughts you have you want to share with her, or any questions. So we can start one by one. Vanya, can we start with you?
Yes, Didi.
Hanji.
Just a minute. I take out my questions first.
Anybody else who is ready with the questions? Who wants to go first?
Can I?
Okay, Sana, you can go first.
Richa Di, do you have any struggles in that?
Okay. Hi, Sania. First of all, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All right. I'm always good. All right. So struggles. So like that anything and everything you do in life comes with a little bit of challenge. और बिना challenge के मतलब adventure क्या है? So of course I did have my set of struggles, but my set of struggles were not like a lot compared to many other people as well. That is what at least I consider it as. So my struggles was initially a little bit with the society having this idea, and even though my parents were very supportive, but the others, they would always tell my parents that how are you spending so much on a girl and you are not going to get anything in return. And so that was exactly more than my struggle. It was a struggle for my parents, and seeing them little bit in a dilemma would like upset me. But I was really very clear that is what gave them the strength. Because मैं बोला करती थी अरे आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं तो पढ़ लूंगी and I will really enjoy this profession and I will do my best. So then they also relaxed. So the main struggle what I had were the others questioning my parents and others questioning my capability. So once I told my parents that I do look like a person who's always having fun, but आप एकदम टेंशन मत लो, this time I'll really study and score well and I'm going to do a good job. So I made sure that I gave that trust to my parents and they trusted me as well. Apart from that, the studies were good enough. Like, of course, they were a lot, okay, for a person who doesn't study all that much. The pilot studies were a lot, but they were not struggles. They were like a challenge. So I love challenges. Dekhe to sahi, like what am I capable of? So it was good fun taking care of all that. And the struggle ended when I kind of achieved my goal. So that was that. Thank you, Sania.
Thank you, Didi.
Now I ask Didi.
Yes, Manna, you can go ahead.
Hi Didi.
Hi, Vadia. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Tell me, Vadia, आप तो शर्मा रहे हो.
Didi, from where you thought to become a pilot?
All right. So it is, if you have read the book, there is a small part which talks about it. So there is a fun part of it, which is like when I was a child, तो हर चीज पिक्चर देख के ही सीखते हैं, फिल्मी जो ठहरे. So then I had seen a movie. It was Top Gun, and when I saw that movie, I was blown away. Of course, like when you see a movie, you relate. If you are a girl, you'll relate with the heroine. If you're a boy, you'll relate with the hero. And if you're a naughty person, you'll relate with the villain. So, but I got very impressed with Tom Cruise. मैंने कहा क्या बंदा है यार. Look at the uniform, look at the bikes he's riding, look at the plane he's flying. So I was more hooked on to the adrenaline. And luckily in that movie, even the heroine had a very strong part. But that apart, when I saw the aircrafts and I saw the adrenaline rushing through it, I felt something, okay? But while growing up, slowly, like, you kind of, when your friends are talking about other careers, you also kind of go here and there thinking, ki, Are, nahi, chalo ye karte hai, chalo wo karte hai, because it's easier. And you get company. Like, that's what they say, na, ki agar company milti hai, to tum, you'll go to hell also. So that was the case with me. So I got confused between many other things, but it was my dad who reminded me that when you were a child, you used to always keep talking that mujhe pilot banna hai. So you want to give it a try? I said, you sure? He's like, yeah, why not? I said, chalo. So that is how, but my main inspiration, of course, like I got inspired by Tom Cruise in that movie. But later, the practical part of it, I was definitely supported by my dad to become a pilot. Thank you, Anya.
My second question is, which difficulties and problem you face in this?
So difficulties were to stay away from family, because to fly, we would go to a little outskirts and we would stay away from family for a long time. And for a person जो कभी घर के बाहर नहीं रही है, parents से दूर नहीं रही, so that was a bit of a struggle. Whereas all my friends were enjoying in college, I was just studying so much, और इसलिए मोटे चश्मे भी आ गए मुझे. मैंने कहा इतनी पढ़ाई कर ली. But I had a very good time, because the friends I made in my aviation career are also priceless. But initially, of course, staying away from parents and studying so much and getting used to studying so much, that was quite challenging and difficult. But I liked this career so much that I ended up forming a discipline for myself, because the idea is not to get scared. The idea is to, okay, if you have a lot of problems in front of you, so you go step by step. If you want to, there is a lot of food kept in front of you. If you try and eat gulab jamun and chicken tikka, kaisa lagega? Not so good. So first you start off with your starters, then you go to your main course, and then you go to your dessert. The same way, treat life like that. Go step by step. When you go step by step, you will enjoy each step also. You will do justice to what is supposed to be done, and you'll have a good time. So that's about it.
My third question is, how was your experience to fly the plane the first time?
Oh, it was great. Oh my God, I had such a good time. First of all, I was excited. मेरे को तो रात भर नींद भी नहीं आई थी. And I remember the previous night, it was really raining a lot. So I was thinking कि मेरा first flight होगा भी या नहीं होगा. But luckily, the weather in the morning cleared up and I was ready for my first flight. It was 7 a.m. in the morning. It was in a place called Baroda. It's in Gujarat. It's also known as Vadodara. And we were all there, and I had a blast because everyone who was doing their first flights, they were coming back scared, or maybe they were throwing up, puking in the flight or something like that. मैं तो ऐसे dance करते हुए गई और dance करते हुए आ गई because I was so excited. So I had a great time. My first flight was very memorable.
There are many cases like crashes of planes. So how did you deal with this all?
See, all those things are a probability of nature. It is a probability of chance. It's a probability of many things. Okay, तो तुम अगर चलो plane नहीं उड़ाते हो, but तुम कार चलाते हो, तो कार वहाँ पे भी कार crash हो सकता है. All right, so anything. Sometimes you are sitting at home, earthquake आ गया. God forbid, कभी हो ना. But like so there are chances of things going wrong anywhere and everywhere. Okay, but what you do, what you do about it, and how well you are prepared. All right, so like when you want to avoid a car crash, you will drive very carefully, you will wear your seat belt, you will avoid the rash drivers, तुम उनसे थोड़ा दूर चलाओगे. All right, when the road is bad, you will drive carefully. So the same way is what works for us also. So we cannot stop doing things in life, but we can train for them. We can take precautions. All right, and we can have a stable mind. Ki whatever is happening in front of us, we'll take it head on, but with care and with proper training, knowledge, skill, whatever acquire over a period of time, everything will go well. So you should not stop doing things. अगर कुछ गलत होने के डर से अगर आप सिर्फ एक जगह बैठोगे तो वो भी सही नहीं है ना. That means you are a stone, you are a tree, you are not doing anything in life. So that's not a good thing. So it's a good idea. Keep moving ahead, but take your precautions, do your studies, acquire skills, and be careful. That is all.
दीदी, as you know कि in your hand all आपके हाथ में सबकी लाइफ है जो भी एरोप्लेन में बैठे हुए हैं. तो what is your action to flying the plane and taking precautions and feelings?
See, the idea is not to take all that headache on your head. All right, like I said, go step by step. अगर मैं ये सोच के चलूं कि मेरे पीछे 200 लोग बैठे हैं, उनकी जाने मेरे हाथ में, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. It is basically when you are a commander, you're responsible for lives. Yes, 100% you're responsible for lives. But that is not your only thing. Your first priority is to fly the plane. Okay, not think about the other stuff. Your first responsibility is to fly the plane till your entire journey is over. That's your first thing. Second thing, you do it safely. All right, and the third thing, you fly the plane, you do it safely, but you make it like effortless. I mean, you do it very pleasantly, and not because the thing is, the more responsibility you think that you have on your head, all right, the more आप झुकते चले जाओगे. तो झुकना क्यों है? So have that thing at the back of the mind. All right, but what you focus is whatever your job is, not the additional thing. Agar if you it's always a good idea not to overthink. Thinking is good, but agar aap zyada sochoge, that will drag you down. All right, so it's always a good idea to think about what your action is, what your job is, but not to overthink. आप overthink करोगे तो लाइफ में कभी कुछ कर ही नहीं पाओगे. और अगर कर भी पाओगे तो दुखी दुखी चेहरे से करोगे, like you know you'll be always upset, you'll always be stressed, you'll always be like oh my god इतनी जाने मेरे कंधों पे क्यों करना है, जब टाइम आएगा तो मैं ही हूँ, ओके, तो तब की तब देखेंगे. बट never forget your primary job. Your primary job is to fly the plane and to fly the plane safely. That is it, that's all.
Didi, what we have to do to become a pilot?
Okay, so to become a pilot, and this question is for everyone. Okay, so first thing to become a pilot is your medical. Okay, by the word medical means your physical fitness level. Okay, so for your physical fitness level, you have to make sure there are a lot of parameters. I'm not going to go in detail, वो तो doctor को ही पता होता है. All right, there are a lot of parameters like specs ho gaye, or like you know your the health of your heart, the health of your brain, your general health. So the doctors, there are like some 50 parameters. They'll do what they are supposed to. They'll check everything. Okay, so first thing, you have to make sure that you're medically fit to be a pilot. Only your eyes, your ears, your nose, everything, like 5 fingers, 5 toes, like you know, so you have to make sure that you're physically fit. Only after you're physically fit, then you can get into the pilot program, because otherwise it's no point having a license but nobody is ever going to give you a job because you're not physically fit. All right, so that's like you know, it's like having you learning a car but aapke paas car nahi hai to drive, then what's the point? It's something like that. Then the second thing, you need to have a background of science. Okay, so you need to do your 12th standard with physics and maths as compulsory subjects. All right, so always remember that you need to do 10+2 with physics and maths. You need to make sure that your English is good, because not because like you know that English is a superior language or something, because all your books are in English. तो आपको अगर लैंग्वेज ही नहीं समझ में आएगी तो फिर आपको बुक्स कैसे समझ में आएंगे? So you have to make sure that your physics and maths are good and your English is good as well. All right, and then once your 12th standard is done, okay, you ask your parents that like you know, mommy, papa, I'm interested in becoming a pilot. Okay, because there is a the pilot course, it comes at a very heavy cost. The cost of the course is very heavy, so you will have to make sure that your parents are comfortable paying that fees. All right, because it's going to get a little heavy for them, स्पेशली अगर आपने कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया एंड आपको जॉब लगने में टाइम लग रहा है, सो योर पेरेंट्स शुड नॉट गेट ट्रबल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. ऑलराइट, सो यू मेक श्योर दैट योर पेरेंट्स आर कंफर्टेबल पेइंग दैट फीस. You go to a flying club which is close to you, like you know, wherever your city is there. और आजकल तो गूगल है, हमारे टाइम तो गूगल भी नहीं होता था. We didn't have anything, so like you know, we had to call up all the flying clubs and ask them that will you take a student, when is your exam. Nowadays you have Google, you can get all the list of the flying clubs around you, you can call them up. Okay, you can go there and join, and then after that, once you join a flying club, then they will teach you step by step now what to do, how to get a student pilot license, which is an SPL, how to get a PPL, which is a private pilot license. I know it's a little heavy, but bottom line hai, start karo 12th standard mein physics or maths or English. Then uske baad you ask your parents, you convince them and you please them, and if your parents are sweet enough, they will take you to a flying club, and then the later stages can begin. But you have to make sure that you do your physical examination before that, because usse pehle kuch nahi ho sakta. It's not a good idea to get into this profession if you're not physically fit.
A person having a small height or specs in their eyes become a pilot or not?
So the thing is, of course, specs are allowed, but there is a limit to it. Okay, that limit, I don't want you to quote me, मतलब कि आप मेरे बातों पे मत जाओ, वैसे तो आपको पता चल ही जाएगा जब अपने आप टेस्ट करने जाओगे. But I'll just share something with you that +5, -5 can be the maximum number for civil aviation. Civil aviation का मतलब होता है जो कमर्शियल फ्लाइंग हम लोग करते हैं, वो जो एयरफोर्स वाला होता है वो अलग होता है. सो लीव दैट असाइड. फॉर सिविल फ्लाइंग, +5 -5 is the ideal power, maximum power what you can have. And the same goes for height as well. Okay, like I said कि आप मेरी बातों पे मत जाओ, but you can become a pilot, like 4 feet 8 inches and above you can become a pilot. But few airlines are there जो जॉब देते हैं, like जैसे इंडियन एयरलाइंस हो गया या विस्तारा हो गया. तो हर एयरलाइन has a different criteria. Her airline has a different criteria as to what height wala pilot they employ. But you can become a pilot at 4 feet 8 inches and beyond. You can definitely go for it.
Thank you so much for answering my all the question very nicely. Nice to meet you.
No problem. Thank you, Vanya.
Thank you, Vanya. Thank you, Rucha, for answering her question so nicely. Okay, Namra, are you here? Okay, I can't see Namra. Kashish, if you are here, you can ask your questions. Yeah, I can see you, Kashish. Kashish, can you hear me? बच्चे, आपको आवाज आ रही है? Okay, ठीक है. Yeah, Kashish, please ask your questions.
Didi, I want to ask.
Kashish, we lost you again. Oh, I think she got dropped off. ठीक है. Sanya, you had more questions, ना? You can ask.
Di, me?
Yeah, आपने chat box में लिखा था ना question. You can ask her.
Yes, Didi. Didi, my first question is, what is your expression when you saw control room in plan?
Okay, so the very first time when I was flying the plane, that was the very first time I even saw a plane. So I was really amazed. And I felt very excited. There were a lot of buttons and a lot of छोटे छोटे घड़ी के जैसे जो चीजें होते हैं जो आपको है अभी लगता है. So but we call them instruments. But like I said, मेरा भी पहली बार था. So I was very excited and I was very very interested. Like, okay, is my voice breaking?
No, Di.
No.
Alright,
No,
okay.
Didi.
Fine. Okay. So I was really excited because there was so much to see and so much to do. So I was having a really good time. I was very excited. Like, wow, ये सब क्या है? And I'm going to fly this. I'm going to learn all this. So I was very excited and exhilarated by seeing the aircraft. And the aircraft, to look at it, it looks really nice. And the aircraft which I was flying, I still remember the name of it. It's Victor Tango, okay, which is the identification for an Indian aircraft, Victor Tango. आप कभी अगर aircraft देखोगे उसके tail के ऊपर एक number लिखा होगा. So Victor Tango is Viceroy Territory, which is an Indian identification. मतलब aircraft India का है, okay. Echo November Alpha. So that was the name of the aircraft which I flew. And she was this cute little yellow beauty, and it was a 2-seater. And I was just, and raat ko, like I said, it was raining a lot. So in the morning, she was all clean and against the green background of the airport, she was looking really lovely. And I still thank the aircraft for teaching me so much. So I had a great time. My expression was like, very nice.
Didi, next question is, how is your journey grow?
So I really like this question because the thing is, I always believe that just because you've grown up, okay, just because आप बड़े हो गए हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप grow करना बंद करो, okay? Because growth is something which has to come throughout your life, all right? So my journey has been very nice, and God has really been very kind. Like from a flying club, immediately after I finished my course, I got my job. So even in the job, of course, like like I keep saying कि पढ़ाई लिखाई में बड़े challenges थे, all right. So I had a lot of पढ़ाई लिखाई वाला challenges, but my journey was very comfortable and very good because I worked very hard. I did. Like, there was a time where I don't really remember that when did I even sleep at night, because the entire day we used to fly and the entire night I used to study. So it was quite interesting, and I really had a good time. So my journey actually took off from the flying club. Then I was 14 years in an airline, and that airline took care of me, like, from the time I was a baby. So it, like, the people, everyone, my trainers, instructors, the people I flew with, they all really took good care of me. um, जब गलती की डांट पड़ी, ओके, डांट पड़ी, बुरा लगा, तो ऐसे नहीं कि छोड़ दो. ऑल राइट, you go back and you work harder. Of course you do feel bad, that अरे यार कैसे, how did I miss this? All right, but like, anytime if anybody is scolding you, it's for a reason. So it's a good idea to understand that reason and go back and work harder. So yeah, so it was quite good. It was an interesting but a lot of fun. So yeah, so my journey was very nice.
Didi, my third question is, there is any person who break your confidence, or
Uh,
who against your?
So not really. There was no one, like, breaking my confidence or something like that. Uh, so there are many people around you. Like, how they affect you is your choice. हो सकता है, आई एम श्योर कि मेरे लाइफ में भी कुछ लोग होंगे जो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस तोड़ना चाह रहे होंगे, but I never took them seriously. Like, there must be few people in flying clubs, like, few instructors who are like, नहीं, गर्ल्स का जगह नहीं है कॉकपिट, एंड यू डोंट बिलोंग हियर. ओके, तुम कर रहे हो ये कोर्स, but how long are you going to keep flying, and how long are you going to keep doing this career? Eventually आप शादी करोगे, or like, you'll stop flying. So why waste like, this course and everything and all that? Why waste your parents का पैसा and everything? So like, few people like that, but they never affected me. Like, I was like, हाँ ठीक है, आपका काम है बोलना, मेरा काम है सुनना और ignore करना. So there was no one person who particularly I let them affect me. There must be people, I'm sure. और एक दो तो आप कह रहे हो तो मुझे याद भी आ रहा है, that I can remember that there were few people who used to speak like this to girls. But eventually it's just completely up to you how much you let these kind of people affect you. Just let them, like, never be like, Arey, why are they speaking this and how can they speak this? Just let them speak na, kya jata hai? Like, it's their work to speak, and it's our work to ignore and keep moving forward. So yeah.
Thank you, Dee, to answer my all questions. Your stories
Thank
to
you, Sanya.
inspire.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanya. Okay, we have Nishtha. Nishtha, you can ask your questions. Okay.
Hi, Nishtha.
Nishtha, are you here? Because I can't see you. Okay, Nishtha, unmute yourself and ask your questions now. Okay, ठीक है. I think Nishtha can't unmute herself. Mariam, can we move to you?
Yes, Didi.
Okay.
Hi, Didi.
Hi, Mariam. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. क्या कर रहे हो सैटरडे के दिन मस्ती?
दीदी स्कूल के काम होते हैं, वर्कशीट्स करना.
So what do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to become when you grow up?
दी आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्ट श्योर कि मैं क्या बनना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम सो कंफ्यूज. मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज होती हूँ.
Oh, that's good. It's good to be confused. You know why? Because if you have already thought something so hard, और आपने अगर decide कर लिया कि मुझे यही करना है, और अगर गलती से वो नहीं हुआ, तो आप life में हमेशा disappointed रहोगे. But when you're confused, means you're thinking about 2-3 things. Alright, and make happy. Good thing to be confused. अगर अब see you're growing up, you're in school, your entire life is in front of you. अगर आप अभी confused नहीं रहोगे तो कभी रहोगे? So don't worry about it. All this confusion is perfectly normal. So it's a good idea to be confused and then choose the best thing, whatever makes you happy. So आपने कुछ तो सोच के रखा होगा आपके करियर के बारे में, like, you know, what do you want to do? You want to get into office work, you want to get into field work, you want to become a police wala, you want to join the Air Force. What have you decided?
दी आई वांट कि मैं अपना बिजनेस करूं या फिर कोई जॉब टाइप का कुछ.
Okay, oh, that's nice. Good. Business means, like, you know, that means you're confident, that you're confident that you can run an entire empire. So which is a good thing. And what else? Like, you know, tell me what you want to know about. Like, you know, you can ask me anything.
Yes. So my first question is that ki how do you manage your all time and day? How do you set your schedules?
So the thing is, the days I'm working or basically I'm flying, so my entire schedule का priority becomes around that. जैसे अभी आपका पहला काम होता है स्कूल जाना, तो आपके बाकी सारे काम जो होते हैं वो स्कूल जाने के अराउंड होते हैं कि आप सुबह उठोगे, बचा हुआ होमवर्क लास्ट मिनट करोगे, ओके, और फिर स्कूल चले जाओगे. देन यू विल कम बैक, यू विल ईट योर लंच, गो टू स्लीप, थोड़ा खेलने जाओगे. और आजकल तो बच्चे खेलते नहीं है, वो बात मुझे पता है. पूरा टाइम या तो टीवी देखते रहते हैं या बिग बॉस देखते रहते हो, सब पता है मुझे. बट लाइक द सेम वे इट गोज फॉर me as well. So if flying, my entire day will be around my schedule of flying. So I know that I have an evening flight. So I know that I have an evening flight. So I have to airport at 3 o'clock. Like the air at 3 o'clock. So whatever work I have in the morning, like I am married and like, you know, I have my own home is there. I have a husband, of course, and like, you know, I have a family to look after. So the first thing I get up in the morning, I will finish my housework. If I have something to do, if I have something to delegate to my home staff who are working for me, I will tell them. Then I will exercise a little. If there is a place, if my flight is to a place where there is something special, so I will learn about that thing. Like, you know, I will study about the flight where I'm going. And then after that, I have my lunch, I get ready, and I leave for my flight. The first thing what I do is what I make sure of is I am always very well rested. Okay, I will not go for a flight if I'm tired. So the main responsibility of a pilot is to be very well rested. You should make sure that you've eaten something so that your blood sugar does not go down. So you have to be ready for your flight. Now, to be ready for your flight, matlab you have to be physically ready. Matlab aap acha soye ho, aap acha khaye ho, all right? And then like, you know, you are wearing proper uniform. You have your white shirt, your applets, your tie, your wings, all right? Aapka flight bag ready hai, licenses, everything. So aap ye sara kuch kar lo. Okay, and then you get ready and you go for your flight. So the days I'm flying, everything revolves around my flight. And the days I hope that answers your question.
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have one more question.
Just a second, girls. Rucha, are you there? We kind of
I
lost.
am Nisha.
Okay, Rucha, can you hear us? We kind of lost you. We can't hear your voice.
Yeah, Tanya, I think there are some internet issues.
Yeah. Okay, let's just wait for.
Yes, go for it.
When did you decide that I want to become a pilot? Because
So like I said, I always liked this career, okay? Or shayad when I was a kid, I used to always keep talking about it to my parents and all that, and they registered and they remembered. I really owe them a lot. Of course, after I did my 10 plus 2, that is my 12th standard. After my 12th standard, when the time came for me to now decide ki life mein karna kya hai, like, you know, how to go ahead, that was the time my dad suggested when like how like Mariam, everyone is like, I was telling that I supported to be okay, chalo, be confused. Like even I was confused at that time because half my friends were doing IT. In my time, IT was like getting close to God. Okay, so everyone wanted to do IT and everyone wanted to be a software engineer. You want to do that. So that was you when you were a kid, you wanted to become a pilot, and do you want to still do that? I was like, yeah, why not? I said, I hope you know to study. I said, "Chalo, I'm ready." Like, you know, I said, chalo, let's do it. So after my 12th, my dad and I, we kind of were looking for pilot courses, and we found this amazing course. It's called BSc Aviation. So we were like the founder people, and it was good fun. Like the entire course was really nice, and then I joined that flying club. I joined the flying club, Bombay Flying Club, and I did this course BSc Aviation, and soon after that I got a job. So around 12th standard ke baad I decided.
Thank you so much, Didi.
Anytime.
Okay, thank you, Mariam. Okay, Nishtha, you want to ask some questions? You can ask Didi.
Hi, Nishtha.
Nishtha, are you here? Okay.
Hello, Dim. May I ask?
Okay, who is this? Suhana. Okay, yes, Suhana, you can ask.
Yes, go for it.
So,
Ask.
hi, Didi. So I am saying that
Hi,
when
Suhana.
first time you think that you can become a pilot, so you don't feel little panic that how can I do and what will happen.
You are on mute.
Richa, you're on mute.
Hi. Yeah. So the thing is, there was no panic. I was just a little like I was just like, you know, overwhelmed. Actually, that is the right word. I was very overwhelmed that कैसे होगा. I was definitely not panic because मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था तब तक कि पढ़ाई कितनी होती है. तो जब पता ही नहीं है कि कितनी पढ़ाई होती है तो आप डरोगे कैसे. वो तो बहुत बाद में पता चला. बट उससे पहले कमाल की चीज क्या हो गई थी that I flew. I had my first flight. So after I saw the aircraft, okay, and after I started flying, तो वो इतना amazing था. Like the experience was so great and I was having such a good time, okay, flying the aircraft. So like the entire panic of padhai went away. So padhai aage jaake, it kept on becoming more and it kept on becoming extra hard. But in return, I was getting the pleasure of flying a plane. So उसके लिए तो सारी पढ़ाई is like okay, चलो कर लेते हैं. So कोई चक्कर नहीं था, कोई टेंशन नहीं था. Like of course there was always exam jitters, exam के पहले, like oh my god, there's so much to study, there's so much to do and everything and all that. But in return, okay, there was so much I was gaining. There was the amount of joy I was having flying a plane. It was insane. So when you compare, like, you know, your hard work and what you're going to get in return, so everything kind of evens out. Like, you know, you're like, it's worth it. It's worth the entire tension. It's worth the entire stress. So that's about it. So I was not panicked. I was definitely like a little like taken aback. But by the time the taken aback had come, I was already flying the plane, तो सारा वो डर वो सब निकल चुका था. So that was all good.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, Didi.
Okay, thank you, Suhana. Who else wants to ask? Okay, I saw Maliha asking a question in the chat box about, you know, any time that you feel that your journey is about to get over, or you know, whenever you faced any problem, did you feel that your journey is about to get over? Maliha, if you're there on the call, can you ask your
Not
question? If you want to add something to it, that's all I can read in the chat box. Okay.
Hi Maliha, you're there?
I think she's there. She can hear us, but maybe her mic is not okay, so she can't speak. So you can go ahead with answering her question.
Okay. All right. Hi Maliha. So there is yeah, I can see you from the chat box. Okay. So the thing is, I never like what I understood your question, that did I ever feel a dead end in my career or in my journey? So there was never a moment like that. Of course, if there were moments where at night I was like, oh my God, मैं कहाँ आ गई? And I was dreading the next day. I was dreading meeting, going for a test or going for an exam or going for a check. But I knew that I have to show up. I cannot stop where I am right now. So I have to, oh, I can see you now. Hi. So, so the thing is, there was never a time that I've hit dead end. Of course, you feel that you are hitting dead end, but then you kind of just go over it, treat it as a speed bump. Never think that this is it. Kind of, you just इधर से जाओ या इधर से जाओ, कहीं से जाओ पर आप चले जाओ. Okay, you can treat it as a speed breaker, but never treat a obstacle as dead end. There is always a way. Maybe not that moment, maybe not that day, maybe not that night. आगे थोड़ा उसके पीछे, maybe today or tomorrow or day after or next week. But if you keep going, you will find a way out of that situation. The best thing is not to stop, because if you stop, that means you really never tried. So the idea is to keep going, and you will find a way for anything you've decided for your goal to be as. रुको नहीं, चलते रहो, कहीं ना कहीं रास्ता मिल जाएगा.
Thank you, Rucha. Okay, I think Bobby asked a question. Bobby, are you here? Do you want to ask your question on your own?
Yes, Didi. Hello,
Hi,
Didi.
Bobby. I really like your name, Bobby.
Didi, I want to ask that what kind of training they gave to you, like skydiving or swimming. If you ever feel that it is not good for me, swimming like skydiving, did you feel so scared of height or something?
Okay, so a pilot being scared of height, तो मतलब, so वही तो बात खत्म हो जाती है. So definitely not. So the thing is कि they don't train us for skydiving, and I will go step by step. So first you wanted to know about, do they train us? Okay, of course they train us. I'm sorry, 1 second. Yeah. So of course they do train us for various situations, but skydiving is not one of them, because skydiving means leaving your aircraft and running away. So that is something what pilots don't do. All right, at least pilots, with responsibilities. I was telling you all that we have responsibility for about 200 people. So skydiving is, you're leaving the aircraft, you're leaving your passengers and running away. So that is something which we don't do. All right, and it's never taught to us, because we are taught to fly the plane until like the journey ends. Now it can end in an airport, it can end wherever it wants to, but we never abandon. Okay, so like, you know, unless there are variations, but skydiving is never something which is taught to us. Yes, swimming, of course, evacuating an aircraft in a condition. Evacuation means you are you are evacuating, you are getting out of an aircraft. If the aircraft, unfortunately, the plane lands in a sea, okay, or in a lake, accident or incident, अगर वैसा होता है, हमें सिखाया जाता है, it is taught to us. But again over here, we are the last ones to leave the plane. We will make sure that everyone has got off. The passengers, the cabin crew, everyone. When everyone is out of the plane, then we will get out. Okay. And of course, they teach us swimming. Of course, they teach us how to get out and how to, like, you know, make your boat and be in the boat until people come and rescue you. But skydiving is not taught to us. So because मैं skydiving करके तो भाग जाऊंगी, वो पीछे बेचारे वो क्या करेंगे? So, like, you know, so we can't do that. We will be with the aircraft till the very end. Okay, and evacuation over water is taught to us, but वहाँ पे भी we will leave once all the passengers are out of the plane. I hope that answers your question. Don't worry, कोई आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा.
Didi, and my second question is, we have seen in the movie that they said, put your oxygen mask first and then give some oxygen masks to anybody. First, you make sure that you are safe with oxygen mask. So if you face a problem like this, so what would you do?
I'm sorry, I lost.
My
Hi, I didn't get the question.
Yeah.
Yes, now you are. बोलो, वापस बोलो, please.
Repeat कर दो बच्चे.
My question was, if you face a problem where you have to give your oxygen mask, whatever it was, oxygen cylinder, to anybody, so you put your oxygen mask first, or you will give to that oxygen mask to another person?
Okay, so how it is there in the aircraft? So there is a cockpit जहाँ पे pilots बैठ के plane उड़ा रहे होते हैं, all right, and there is the cabin where all the other passengers are sitting, right? Okay, so we are never going to be. Hi, can you all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. It just got, I thought it got disconnected.
No.
I don't know. I'm seeing a blank screen.
Maybe you can try switching off your
I'm
video.
seeing a blank screen actually.
You can try switching off your video. Maybe.
Yeah, just hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Just 1 second.
No problem. No worries.
At one place flying the aircraft, that is called now the cockpit has separate cylinders. So the cockpit has separate cylinders than the passengers. So हर passenger के पास अपना खुद का oxygen mask होता है, हर pilot के पास अपना खुद का oxygen mask होता है. The situation where we have to wear an oxygen mask, everyone is already seated. सब वहीं बैठे हैं जहां उनको बैठना है. So there will never be a situation that I am giving my oxygen mask to a passenger because I'm sitting far away from the passenger. I'm in the cockpit. I'm behind a locked door. So, but then if any time there is a situation arises where a pilot has to give the oxygen mask to a passenger, I know it sounds bad, but a pilot will never do that because only when the pilot is safe, he or she can fly the plane. And only if they can fly the plane, they can land safely and save everyone else. So they will make sure that they will get an oxygen mask. Like, you know, they can always tell the cabin crew to give an oxygen mask to the person, and the whoever the affected passengers are, we will make sure that everyone is taken care of. But we will never give our oxygen mask, because if we are gone, then the baat hi khatam. So in situations like this, pilot is independent of all the passengers. Like I said, there is a reason there is a door. Okay, that tells the pilot that y'all have only one job: to fly the plane, and fly the plane safely, and not think about passengers, because passengers are direct responsibility of you, yes, but they are taken care by the cabin crew. तो आप उनका stress मत लो. Okay, you stress upon only flying the plane. Because if you are safe, the plane is safe, the passengers will be safe. So you have to go in, in that you have to go step by step. But of course, the pilots will make sure that the passengers are safe. All right, and no doubt emergencies come, but we make sure that everyone is safe, because we have to. But we cannot stop flying the aircraft. Our first priority is to keep flying the aircraft. So that's about it.
Thank you, Didi.
I hope that answers your question. Thank you.
Also, I'd just like to come in and remind everyone that we have just 7 minutes left. So,
Oh,
you can take
wow,
Dee,
that was
I have one
fast.
question. Dee, I have
Yes.
one question. My question is, if a plane was hacked or will be hacked, so what you do? Or what are the pilots do?
Okay, so for what have I kept repeating in the entire like right now, like all the interaction with you guys. So what was the main thing which I kept on telling you? What does a pilot do? If you can, just make it a little interactive. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं हमेशा क्या बोलते रहती हूँ कि पायलट को क्या करते रहना चाहिए? कुछ भी हो जाए तो पायलट को क्या करते रहना चाहिए?
Flying.
Yes, perfect. So whatever the situation is there, we should not stop flying. Of course, we have a procedure. कि अगर चलो by chance, God forbid, अगर कभी ऐसा situation आ जाता है, very nice, Charu. That's nice. By the way, Charu is ulta of Rucha, so that's good. So any time a situation arises, we cannot stop flying the aircraft. We cannot be Superman और हम लोग ऐसे कुछ चाकू वाकू लेके, we don't go behind and start fighting with the hijackers. Of course, we don't do that, but we are trained for it. We are trained what to do. All right, but to become a hero or heroine, we cannot ever start fighting with them. We have to keep flying the aircraft, of course, but we have a procedure. We tell the right people. So आपको पता होगा, there is something called air traffic controller. तो air traffic controller को हम उनसे बात करते हैं, हम उनको बताते हैं कि there is a situation which has come up, okay, in our aircraft, and we are being hijacked. All right, so they will make sure, they will tell us, okay, they will tell us what to do, how to do, and where to land, and we do it according to that. But of course, we will make sure that the passengers are safe, and we will of course have a dialogue, negotiation with the hijackers. What do they want? Why are they hijacking? अभी आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ जिद करते हो तो ऐसी थोड़ी ना जिद करते हो, कोई बात होती है तो जिद करते हो. तो जब मम्मी पूछती है कि अच्छा बताओ क्या चाहिए, so like the same way, not itne sweetly, but the hijackers will tell us what do they want. Then if we can assist in negotiation में होता है कि आप उनको बोलो कि नहीं इतना सो नहीं मिलेगा, आपको थोड़ा कम मिलेगा. So we can help them out in negotiations, connect them with the political people who will help us in getting out of this situation. But the first thing is, we do not stop flying the aircraft. कोई हीरो हीरोइन बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. When the time comes, you do that, but never forget your primary job, not to stop flying the aircraft. So that's it. Like, we will not interact with hijackers unless unfortunately the time comes.
Thank you, Rucha. And thank you,
Thank you,
Sandhya,
Didi.
for asking that question.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are almost like done with the session. The time is almost about to get over. So maybe let's just end by saying a big thank you to Didi for so much, for
Oh,
giving
please.
us so much knowledge about being a pilot and her experience. And also I'm also taking away a lot of theories that you follow, the step by step theory. I'll always remember the gulab jamun and tikka example. That's
Because I'm a big foodie and I love food. That's why.
so I'll definitely remember that
Thank you,
uh,
Khadija.
example for sure. And definitely, I'm
Thank you,
taking
Ilma.
away, and I hope kids are also taking away that how to just keep going and not to stop even if you see a dead end coming. So thank you for that inspiration. Um, let's just
Thank you so
say a
much.
big thank you to Didi. We can, you can all unmute yourself and say a big thank you.
Thank you, Dee.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Didi.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Alex.
Didi. Thank you,
Thank
Didi.
you,
Thank
Dee.
you. Thank you, Prapti. Thank you, Vanya. Thank you, Charu. Thank you,
Thank you,
Anand.
Richa.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Alina.
Didi.
Thank you. The time goes by so fast. Oh my God. Especially when I start chattering.
It is so good to hear.
Thank you. No, but it's actually really great, and I really want to thank you guys, because of course there are resources of information, experiences available all over the world, but it's really nice that you all coordinate all of this, Tanya, Mansi, all of this you all coordinate and make sure that the resources, information, experiences, they reach to all stratas of society and kids. So which is really good, because this is something which I didn't have. So I'm really proud of you guys, that you all are making all of this happen. And no, it's just really great, because there are certain things. हर लोग हर चीज नहीं कर सकते. अगर सब लोग एक ही चीज करेंगे तो फिर कैसे चलेगा? So like you guys are doing something so different and so nice, which is actually quite great. So thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you, Rucha.
Thank you.
Thanks.